Well, Eric, how do you feel?
Feels good. Yeah, it feels great. So this will be a takeoff.
Roger that.
We got one notch of flaps. Okay, we can go through this. All right, we got fuel flows. Okay, RPM is at 930. We've got oil temp, which is reasonable, 135. Pressure 60. Altitude, altimeter set 720, 740. Vertical speed fine. We don't care about the compass. Attitude indicator is up and alive. We've got airspeed of -0, and turn coordinator is okay. Don't remember why the fuel's alert light is on. I'll leave that be. We got all of our power switches on. We've got takeoff. Both fuel valves are on and on. We've got our doors and windows latched. Check. We have one notch of flaps. Check. And we had 7 taps on nose up out of the green. Adjust nose up. And magnetos are on both. Check. And our beat is in. Check. Mixture is in. Full in. We're good for takeoff. Bend traffic, Rebel 112 Romeo, takeoff, runway 33. Maybe orbiting above the airport, above pattern altitude at Benton.
Yes. So excited.
Yes.
Vertical speed.
Benton Airpark for Salvia 4664 Echo, entering left downwind for runway 33.
We have RPM. RPM is indicating 2320 at full throttle, and vertical speed is upside down. Goes -500 feet. Attitude indicator is lazy still. We're going to keep it in closer to the airport. We're coming up through 1,300. We're not even at Placer. We're over. And Rebel has the Citabria in sight. We'll be climbing up above the pattern behind you. That's it. We're going to do a stall here. Let's see what our airspeeds look like. Airspeeds here. So we'll just kind of bring our power back a little bit. There's 60. There's 50. There's 40. I've got a little buffet. This is clean. Got going down to 30. Got 30. Goes up. I've got some power in. We're going 25. There's a little bit of wobble there. Pulling the throttle back a little bit. And there it is. All right. Down around 22 or something miles per hour. Okay. The other thing we do is I should have done the check on airspeed with 2200 RPM with reflex. What do we have? There's 2240. I seem to be fairly level. There's 85 miles per hour. I think I'm climbing a little bit. Let's go bring it on up to 2450. Actually, ailerons are much nicer when we have aileron is good, much better. Let me just trim nose down, Okay, I don't need nearly as much aileron. I'm at 2,500. Yep. Let's go to 2450. 2450, not climbing. 100 miles an hour, 100 miles per hour. 2440, 100 miles an hour. And the aileron, left aileron is not all that heavy. So that's speed off and hands off. Okay. So there's 50.
Ah, yeah.
Yes! It works!
You have a plane, sir.
Very nice. Thank you so much. How'd it go?
Went really well. And yeah, the heavy aileron, I'm not sure what.
great.
Yay!
It works.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
He
Yay.
was trying to make excuses like he's a float plane pilot.
Yeah.
Oh, that was
What do you
great.
think?
That was great.
Freaking awesome.
It works.